Hi, thanks for joining me today. I appreciate the fact that you've subscribed to my channel, and I know that you enjoy the instructional videos that I create and the high quality that we strive for here. And I'm really proud of that, so thank you. But this is a special kind of a time. It's a time when many of us are very frightened. Many of us feel very untethered, is the word I like to use. And no matter where you fall out on the continuum of your personal belief system, it's easy to feel as though you don't have any grounding. And that's why I want to talk to you in case you're not aware of my Creative Strength Training community online. Creative Strength Training was designed to bring together people who are creative in all different kinds of ways, whether they're professional or not. I've got plenty of members who are rank beginners, or were when they started, and now they're accomplishing something with the creative work that they do. It includes people who paint, and it includes people who work with fabrics and textiles. It includes people just like you who come to YouTube channels like mine in order to learn things that you can try at home in your own studio. Creative Strength Training meets every month. There are get-togethers, there are small groups. We call them focus groups on specific topics. And the point of all of this is not only to help you find the inner creative and strengthen that inner creative artist self that we all have. It's your birthright. But it's also a place where you can connect in a really safe environment with other people who are supportive, have been through what you've been through, have faced exactly the same setbacks and fears and doubts that we all face when we walk through the studio door, whatever that means, where you live. And so we have this opportunity to share and build camaraderie, and I think it's critically important right now because having a creative outlet is self-care. You take care of yourself, you feel better. I would hazard a guess, based on my own experience, that in many ways it's better for you than therapy. Although I'm not going to knock therapy. It's helped me. All these things, though, they're all self-cares that we can add into our schedules, even if it's just a few minutes a day. And Creative Strength Training helps you set some goals, maintain the goals, and then celebrate the accomplishment of your goals surrounded by other people who are trying to do the same thing. It's pretty straightforward. All the details are on my website. If you go there, you can read about the tutorials I offer every month. You can read about interviews that I do with artists. This year, our focus is on marking time. And each month, I'm interviewing a different artist who focuses on marking time in her work. That is incredibly inspiring. It will give you an opportunity to mark time, no matter what marking time means to you and no matter where time takes us. So I hope you will take a few minutes and look at my website, consider Creative Strength Training, and join me because we have a great time. It's not all serious. There are a few tears. There are lots of laughs. And it would not be complete if you couldn't join and be with us.